Alright guys, I already got the engine down on the frame. I don't have it attached so I can move it around a little bit. I decided that the flywheel shroud was just really bad shape. It had some paint from the previous owner got on the shroud and it looked really bad, and decided to clean it up and paint it. It's almost done drying now, but I see an issue. I'm getting the itch to repaint the rest of red, and I'll show you why. I looked, it's the same color, but this is approximately 10 years ago. It's close looking, but that's faded down there. I wonder if I could shine that up. I don't have a buffer. I wonder if I can get the brightness of that back out on that. We'll see. We're going to stay the course, let that finish drying, paint the hood, put it on, and see if it looks off. If it looks off at that time, then we'll figure out what we're going to do about this. So, until then. All right, guys, I saved you some of the mundane putting the engine on business, because, you know, basically you set it down, you put 4 bolts in the bottom, put a pulley on the bottom, put the belt in the pulley. I do have just a wire pellet guide on this side that I made and put on there. It's just a wire piece in the shape of an L with a little loop-de-loop for the bolt. Kind of used to match up what the stock belt guide was like on this side, but just with a smaller piece of metal, round metal. Pardon me. Of course, I got all my gas lines hooked up, got my choke hooked up, got my throttle hooked up, got my foot throttle hooked up. I basically pull on the governor arm. Probably not the best way, but it's the way I do it, and it works all right. Been doing it for 10 years. Basically, got my spring on this side, loop through and a little hook to a little eye bolt, and that little crimped on terminal. That's pretty much it. Filled it with oil. So at this point, I guess it's actually ready to fire up. Maybe I'll do that tomorrow. I don't know. Got a busy day. Attached exhaust that I had. I was glad to see that it cleared the suspension. And it looks like it will always clear the suspension. So that's good. But that's all there is to the engine. Now, I'll probably go ahead and just keep this video short and sweet. I will add one more segment of firing it up, and maybe I'll drive it around the yard. See how it works, see if the belt falls off. But next video will be taking that hood and cleaning it up and painting it. And there ain't nothing much to that either. So next 2 videos are probably going to be a little short. Alright guys, I decided not to start up the engine and not drive it around. I'll save that for the reveal at the end of the parts here on the updates. Little sneak peek for next video. Hope you like it.